Hold on to the camera.
That's nice. That's nice.
That's fast.
That's nice.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video you're going to be watching part 2 of my stage 2 BM3 or boot mode video. This is going to be like a typical Sunday afternoon with the Orlando crew featuring the daily driven. I'll put everybody's YouTube channel down below in the description, but this is going to be like a typical Saturday, Sunday for us. Go eat food, hang out, talk cars, and then go take pictures or videos for the upcoming week. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Definitely had a blast. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, and subscribe. Alright, we just pulled up to the Korean barbecue place. I'm parked next to Shame M3 over here, my boy Ben. I see Jonathan's car, and I think Ken drove a rental car up here because he's here for some secret sauce. Maybe you'll find out on his channel, but yeah, I'm gonna go check in with the boys now. Make sure you guys follow my boy, Ben, Shame M3 on Instagram and Shrug Media on YouTube. Hell yeah. We got Jonathan over here, aka Thousands, Tanzanite Blue M4. Yo, we here at Korea House, F30 skirt, Thousands, Shrug Media, the Daily Driven.
Used to be F80 Gold.
Used to be F80 Gold. That's how I introduce him on every video still. What are we doing today, Kylar?
I have no idea what I'm doing. Eating a bunch of food.
White boys eating Korean barbecue.
Yep.
Got Thousands.
Here we're eating galbi, bulgogi, brisket.
Yeah.
Everything he just said.
We just told him though, so
Hell
it's
yeah.
all good.
Ken, for the viewers and people that watch all of us, what are you doing in Orlando?
Picked up some wheels.
Oh,
Yeah, took some wheels.
nice.
You'll see it on that vlog.
Telling the people something.
437M wheels.
Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah. Big surprise.
Big surprise. Stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe to his channel and all their channels to find out what's going on. Why is he here in Orlando? But it's good to have the boy here. Yeah, yeah. It's good to have the boys here on Sunday, chilling, getting some grub.
Smacking.
Maybe get some pics, some more videos later today. Yo, stage 2 is crazy. Yo, Kylar, how's stage 2? How's your stage 2 going?
For a BFJ, it's pretty cool.
Make sure you guys check out his review. Jonathan, how's E60 going?
E60, E85?
Yeah.
Good.
How's
Ready.
stock going?
Stock.
Stock is perfect.
One stock egg right here, baby.
I am blessed.
Competition
for the win.
One day.
All for aesthetics, all for aesthetics. Getting old, man. I'm about to be like almost my middle 30s.
Oh, stop it.
Chill.
I'll look like this forever though, you know, ages don't crack.
Facts. Just got done at Korea House. The boys are full. Stuffed.
How many orders did we get? Like,
Dude, so much galbi.
Ben's new place. Jonathan's new place as well. And check it out.
F80 home. It's
Yo,
F80 home.
oh my god.
So this is F80 home. What's going on?
What's going on?
It's a vlogception. I'm recording, he's recording too.
Sir.
And we're gonna check out his stage 2. Bootmod stage 2.
Bootmod just tuned today.
Okay. Catless?
No, we have a resonated catless downpipes,
Okay.
ARM.
Do you smell it though?
No, I don't smell it.
Okay.
Well, I'm used to it. On my F30 it was catless and basically a straight pipe, so I'm used to the smell, but it doesn't bother me that much. Like I'm not like parked in my garage and just like waiting to inhale it, you know what I mean? I'm driving around, so it's not too bad.
But yeah, we just left Korea House. I'm reeking like Korean food.
Yes, sir.
It's always a good time. There's always good food. It's always good when you hang out with some guys that have awesome cars and they're actually not douchebags. I'm just saying, you know, the Orlando crew out here is a totally different vibe out here. Gotta say, man, this transition from his build has gone through many different changes. And I could hear a little bit of the rasp you were talking about in your videos. On the low RPMs.
Yeah, right. Yeah. If I don't shift it like manually.
Okay.
But I am gonna release a video soon for my channel too, showing you guys what I did to negate the rasp. And you can't see it, but in auto mode, I have it in D3,
Okay.
like the hardest shift setting.
Yeah.
But it keeps it above 2K RPM, which is where the drone is.
F80 ho, so what can I say, man? Last time I saw you was at the Invasion of Orlando.
My Asian brother from another.
I know. You're a Palm Beach guy. You used to be a Palm Beach guy, which is like down where I'm at least. Now you're an Orlando boy.
Hold on to the camera.
That's nice. That's nice.
That's fast.
That's nice.
That's fast.
This was
All right, we're chilling now.
this is Orlando, Mexico. Orlando, Mexico.
Yeah.
That was nice.
I gotta tell people, on the way here, I came in to where they were eating because I had the biggest smile on my face. It's because I just filmed my stage 2 video doing that on the way there, so.
And I'm holding the camera like, you know,
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah. Pretty quick.
But yeah, no, the car sounds good, man.
Oh yeah.
And the red seats look pretty good, especially after you clean them. The previous owner of the seats, I can tell you this, man, they're a little greasy.
Much needed clean for sure.
They got a little greasy.
Yeah, they're greasy as hell.
Got a little greasy boy. But no, the car looks good, man. I love the transition, right? Because it's so hard to find the right spec you want, but if you're able to change some of the things you prefer,
For sure.
like the interior being the porn star red interior, right?
Yeah.
You're able to find that.
Yeah.
And I don't think you paid an arm and a leg because that guy was local, right?
Yeah. Even swap. Even though I lost the comp cutouts.
Yeah, no.
But it's okay.
It is what it is.
But for my channel, your channel, it's good to be vlogging together.
Yeah,
I wish
right?
we lived in the same city because we probably be on each other's channel all the damn
day.
time. Yeah.
Waste his water and stuff.
Yeah, waste my water. Oh yeah,
Waste my
for
water, I
sure,
don't
for
care.
sure. No, it's good to have you here, man.
I gotta say this, I said this again, the Orlando people out here, the BMW community out here is solid. These guys are true BMW enthusiasts. They're not talking about, hey, I have better wheels than you. It's more like a community,
Oh,
right?
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Because
we're all here to lift each other up. Same mentality as he preaches with the Invasion guys. You know, it's like we're all here to support each other. That's what the BMW community is about.
exactly.
You already know.
And we're the best community out there. Show me another community out there that's better than us.
For real. Can't think of one.
No.
Honestly.
I can tell you this, I came from the Subaru community and the community was different. It was really good, really close knit. And then when you would see another Subaru in the community, you would give them like 2 honks and then a wave in the air. I'm not gonna lie, some of the BMW guys won't do that, but it's just different when you go to events. If you've seen it on his vlog, you've seen it on other vlogs for the Invasion of Orlando, we're just a different type of camaraderie. And for me, if there was none of that camaraderie, I probably wouldn't have a BMW.
Facts. Kylar just texted me, said he wants to get some rollers, so
Okay.
let the man get some rollers.
Pull your titty out!
Ken, what do you think about the car? How does it feel?
First time in his F80.
My F80, yeah.
And I gotta say, hearing the change of a different exhaust, right? Catless arm resonated, right?
Yeah.
Downpipe, along with the equal length and stock rear, right?
Yeah.
Sounds amazing.
Stock bumper,
Sounds
yeah.
sounds good. I'm not gonna lie, I like mine sound better because it's just me, but it does sound good.
None taken, man. Everybody likes their own, you know. This isn't my permanent setup, but it is what it is now, you know. That's another thing. I don't want to spend more money to fix it because it's a lot of money.
It's a lot of money. So modding, if you guys are first getting into modding, it's gonna be very expensive in the beginning. But just know that there's resources out there, forums to get deals. For example, today I came to Orlando because I picked up some 437M wheels.
Oh, you gotta tell the people why did you do that?
When's this video coming out?
Monday.
Monday.
Yeah. You don't gotta tell them, but if you've been watching this video this far, you're a real one. Make sure you guys follow the Daily Driven.
I will tell you guys there because I'm not sure when my video is gonna be coming out.
Yeah, you gotta stay tuned.
Maybe in 2 weeks. Maybe in 2 weeks.
He's got a big announcement coming soon, so stay tuned.
Hopefully you guys don't hate me.
Nah, definitely a good
Alfa Romeo.
Nah, it's definitely a level up. Let's just say that. But you guys gotta follow him, subscribe to his channel.
Appreciate it. But like I said, the forums, man, are a good resource where
Oh yeah.
I was able to pick up 437M wheels from a forum member and all checked out.
Doing another pull for you.
Yeah, so let's go.
Alright, I know.
Stage 2 is no joke because coming from a guy that's stock, yeah, that's pretty dope. Yeah, but going back into after he almost choked my neck back, but yeah, the forum member I got it from, it was like basically $1,200 for basically a mid set of 437Ms. You'll check it upstairs.
That's crazy.
With brand new tires, Continental tires, and they're not PS4s, but still $1,200. I think the form right now you could get a set for $1,800 to almost $2,200.
Yeah, I've seen the normal going rates like 15 to 2K probably.
Yeah, so once I saw that deal, I told them, hey, I'll send you a PayPal deposit and I'll pick it up this weekend, which is why I'm here.
Nice.
And I was like, hey, let me go visit the boys in Orlando.
Hell yeah. Hey, well, this is a stage 2 featuring some of the homies. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below. Subscribe to everybody.
Subscribe to him. If you haven't subscribed to his channel and you're watching it on a weekly basis, hit the subscribe button. Do yourself a favor.
My man, YouTube family all day.
Exactly. Talking with that too?
I'm dual purpose here, baby. All right, what do we have here?
All right, so this is the wheels that we're talking about in the car. This is 437mm wheels. But can you believe a set of this was 1,200 bucks?
Yeah.
Look at the tires, brand new.
I'm distracted with this Paul problem.
South Florida, man.
Yeah.
Central Florida.
Yeah, true.
Look at that.
Yeah, these are mint though.
Yeah.
Nice.
Got the OEM TPMS sensors too.
Yep. And how much are those? How much are those?
$600
For a set.
Yeah, for all 4.
These are nice.
$600 for a set. So
Everybody's got their cameras out.
I gotta steal for that.
Hell yeah. So you guys just put it together. Buying 437Ms. We'll leave it at that.
So wait, I think this video, the video about what's gonna go on, it's gonna happen in about a week or 2.
Yeah.
So stay tuned.
This is my stage 2 reveal video, and it's ended up like kids reveal video too. Yeah. Hey, but everybody's in the vlog now. Let's go. It's gonna be a fire video. Make sure you follow everybody. Subscribe to everybody here. But he has an Alpha right here. We got F30 skirt, and then we got Towson's, Ben's car, and my F80 right here. Hell yeah, this spot is sick. You know, just Sunday afternoon with the boys. Danny showed up. What up, what up, what up?
The sniper.
All right, Ken is out.
Hey, so I will see you, I don't know, maybe a couple months. I don't know how it goes.
Yeah, I don't know.
I'll see you online, man.
For sure, for sure.
I'll see you in your next vlog.
For sure. Everybody subscribe. To everybody. To everybody. Subscribe.
I'm telling you, if you guys haven't met any of these guys from Orlando, they're so cool to hang out with.
Facts.
Easy to hang out with, car guys, love good food.
Facts. Hey, safe travels in your new ride though. Alpha baby.
Alpha gang.
Alpha gang. This vlog's all over, but we're now touring now Jonathan and now Ben's new apartment place, and we're also swinging on swings like.
About to have some fire vlogs here, boys.
Oh yeah, this place is sick. What is it? Alta Winter Park.
Fire pits. They were saying.
Sick. Cold start gang. Blow my eardrums off. Alright, the boys and I are rolling out. I think we're gonna close out this vlog. Overall, super fun video to film with the guys. Yo, stage 2 is the real truth. It is no joke. I'm super happy with the outcome. I'll definitely be doing some more videos with boot mode very soon. As you guys know, we got some special sauce coming, so stay tuned. Damn, Ben. Before I close out the vlog, I want to show you guys the competition burble settings from F80 Nick again. It literally sounds like OEM comp burbles, so this is crazy. You guys can hear it. Yeah, that's crazy. I gotta show Nick later for sure.
See what I'm doing there? I'm coming up, you got the camera, and the transition will be...
Later. Later. Can't see your faces. Alright, that's gonna wrap it up for this week's video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Like I said in the beginning, I definitely had a blast filming this video. Make sure you guys follow all the guys and subscribe to their YouTube channels. I'll make sure to link it down below. Boot Mode Stage 2 was super fun. I had a blast filming this video and hanging out with the guys, but I want to thank you guys for watching. I invite you to subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. We're almost at 4K. The support has been unreal lately, so shout out to you guys watching. But next video, we're gonna be tackling the spark plugs, so stay tuned for that video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Peace.